Bitcoin today is kind of trading, still holding strong at 19,000. It dipped below 20,000. This will be the way forward. Every time there's a negative news, everybody get killed. But the one I want to show you guys is actually MicroStrategy. All right, so let me go into MicroStrategy at this moment. And then we take a look at MSTR. Now, as I'm speaking, I hope you can look at your own charts as well, right? So what I'm looking at right now for MicroStrategy is it is hovering around $223 with a few bad things going on. First, Michael Saylor is under investigation for tax fraud, which is a big thing. And the stock price right now hovering around 225, all right? Now, this 225 or 200 is almost back to square one, even before they start accumulating Bitcoin and send the price of Bitcoin to the all-time high.